In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to embed the Airbnb Reviews app onto your Wix website. We will be using trusted platforms such as SociableKit or ElfSite that generate review widgets to take this process forward. To begin, you'll want to either sign up or log in. If you're a first-time user of these platforms, creating a free account would be your starting point. If you've used them before, simply log in to commence the process. Once you've accessed your account, kickstart the work and let your creative juices flow as you create and customize your Airbnb Reviews widget, as per your preference. These platforms will guide you through their services, and instructions will be provided to help you piece together your widget piece by piece. You'll typically start with inputting your Airbnb username or your profile URL in order to import your reviews. Next, you're allowed to make creative decisions to enhance the aesthetic factor of your widget. Decide on what color suits your website, which font is more readable and engaging for your visitors, and the layout that makes the entire content visually appealing. After you're satisfied with the design of your reviews widget, you'll then proceed to retrieve your HTML embed code. The service platform would generate this code for you to copy. Simply select this code and copy to your clipboard, keeping it handy and ready for the next step. Now, switch your window to your Wix editor. Once in your Wix editor, find the Add button, which is usually iconed by a sign. Click on this button, move your mouse down to the option labeled Embed, and out of the options that appear, make a selection of Embed HTML. This adds an HTML iframe box to your web page, creating the perfect space to host your reviews. Next up is the application of your previously copied HTML embed code. All you have to do here is paste it into the HTML box you just created. After you've pasted the code, click Update. This enables you to see a preview of your reviews widget as it would appear on your published website. Finally, if you're satisfied with how the preview looks, save the changes made to your web page. Proceed by clicking Publish to launch the updated web page. Your Airbnb reviews are now visible to your visitors, enhancing their user experience while gaining trust. Remember, the more you engage with your website visitors through techniques like these, the more loyalty you'll earn in return. As the old saying goes, trust is the foundation of all relationships, and your relationship with your visitors is no different. Happy embedding!